Ladies and gentlemen, yes, the messenger is back again, yes, with very important information concerning the COVID-19 and the vaccines, yes, the better vaccines that have been approved, yes. So, my topic of today is what you need to know about the COVID-19 vaccines, yes, what you need to know, yes. Yes, before I proceed, yes, about in the world at large, they say 2.5 million people are dead of COVID-19. Yes, and 63.4 million have recovered in the world. Yes, and all over the world, we have 112 million cases of COVID-19 in the world. Yes, and only in the US, we have 28.3 million cases only in the US. That's the highest. And in the US, more than 500,000 people are dead of COVID-19. That's the highest in the world. And right now, 65 million have been vaccinated in the United States already. Right now, as we are talking, yes. So there are two vaccines now available: the Pfizer vaccine and the Moderna vaccine. Yes. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine is not yet approved. The one that's approved right now is the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccine. Yes. And this vaccine does not cure COVID-19. Yes, I said that. These vaccines does not cure COVID-19. Yes. So after taking the vaccine, you still have to wash your hands, put on your mask, social distance, avoid crowds, avoid poorly ventilated space, yes. So this vaccine do not cure COVID-19. This vaccine only stop you from serious illnesses after you contract the disease. Yes, that's it. It doesn't cure COVID-19. So you can still transmit it to others after having the vaccine. Yes. So the only important thing that it can stop serious illnesses, stop you from going to the hospital, and stop you to die or stop you to go into the ICU in case of emergency. Yes. So there is no scientific evidence that the vaccine can completely stop people from being infected. Yes. So that's why you still have to follow all the necessary barriers. Yes. And this vaccine, you have to take 2 doses. You take the first dose, then after 3 weeks, you take the second dose. They say even after you take the second dose, yes, it will take another 2 weeks for your body to get immunity, natural protection to the vaccine. And after that, you can see be infected with the coronavirus, and you can see transmit it to others. Yes. So even after taking the second dose, you are not immune to the COVID-19. You can still have it. Yes. And you can still transmit it to others. Yes. Because it's a new virus. There's scientific research still going on to really discover what the virus is really talking about. And right now, there are some people that are asymptomatic. There are people that don't have symptoms, but they still have COVID-19. Yes. And those people can still transmit the COVID-19 to you without knowing. So right now, you have to consider everybody infected with COVID-19. That's the only way you can protect yourself. So you see, after having the vaccine, you still have to put on your mask, wash your hands, social distance, avoid crowds, and also avoid poorly ventilated space. Yes. After taking the vaccine, they have noticed some side effects from the vaccine. Some of the side effects are, they say, pain, swelling at the site where you took the arm, where you took the vaccine. You may have fevers, chills, you may get tired. Sometimes you may have headache. Yes. Yes. And these side effects are very normal. It's a sign that the body is building immunity, is building natural protection to the vaccine. So do not be scared after taking the vaccine, because with time the side effects will disappear. Yes. So the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccine can also protect you from the new virus, the South Africa and the UK variants. Yes, they say can also protect you from that. So it's very safe. Yes. So you have to know that. Yes. They say no one can be denied a vaccine in the United States. Yes, so it's free in the United States. If you are going to get the vaccine, you must have it. They cannot refuse to get the vaccine. in the United States of America. Yes, yes. If you're a pregnant woman, the vaccine is very safe for you to take. You can take the vaccine. Yes, yes. But we do not know how long you can be protected after taking the vaccine. It's a new vaccine, so they are still studying it. So after you take the second dose, they don't know how long you have immunity to the vaccine. They don't know yet because it's a new vaccine. So they are still carrying out thorough research about the vaccine. Yes. And there are certain ingredients in these vaccines. Yes. This COVID-19 vaccine. They say some of the ingredients that they use in the vaccine is lipids. That's fat. They have salt, sugar. They say buffers. They say buffers help to stabilize and to maintain your pH solution in your body. Yes. And some of these ingredients are different in the various vaccines. Maybe the Pfizer vaccines have a different ingredients that they use to manufacture it, and the Moderna vaccine have its own ingredients. So maybe before you take the vaccine, you need to contact your doctor, your physician. Maybe you have some allergies to the ingredients that they use in the vaccine. Yes. So it's very important. And if you have COVID-19, you can take the vaccine until you recover from it. Yes. So if you have COVID-19 right now, you cannot take the vaccine until you recover from COVID-19. You have been tested negative before you can take the vaccine. That's how it works. Yes. So more updates is still coming on. They are still looking into the vaccine to really know what the vaccine really is and to how it can treat COVID-19. Yes, scientists are still carrying out research, because it's a new virus and they still really know what is changing. The virus is changing modes, so they need to study that. Yes. So you still need to put on your mask. After getting your vaccine, put on your mask, social distance, avoid crowd, all those stuff. And some people don't even know how to wear the mask. Some people hang it in their chin, they put it in their mouth, they don't cover their nose. Some put it on their head, they wear it as a tie. Make sure you fit it well, cover your nose and your mouth, everything. So that if not, you still contract it through the air or something, through droplets. So you have to protect all that. Yes. They say research carried out in India, they discovered that people that wear eyeglasses are 2 to 3 times less likely to contract COVID-19 because they don't touch their eyes frequently. So if you are putting on eyeglasses, it may help you not to contract the COVID-19 as compared to somebody that don't put on eyeglasses, because you don't touch your eyes often. Yes, it's very important to know that too. Yes. They say 50 confirmed cases of reinfection globally have been noticed. So nobody is immune to COVID-19 after recovery from it. After recovery or after taking the vaccine, you are not immune. You can still have COVID-19 the second time. Yes, you can still have it. Yes, that's it. This COVID-19, you have to know the signs and symptoms. It's very important. After you have the signs and symptoms, you feel it, then you can take the test. Yes, you can take the test. If you start feeling some chills or fever, yes, you know that it may be some of the signs and symptoms. You may be coughing, you may have shortness of breath, or you have difficulty breathing, you may be feeling tired, you may be feeling body and muscle pain, you may have headache. If you have loss of taste or smell, you have sore throat, you have congestion, runny nose, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, any of those stuff, there may be a sign that you have COVID-19 and you need to get tested. Yes. And research that has been carried out indicates that after 6 to 9 months that you contracted the COVID-19, there's what we call post-acute sequela. Yes. Studies have carried out that the side effects of the COVID-19, you can still have it after 6 to 9 months of recovery. Yes, you may be having anxiety, depression, sleeping disorder. So the future of this vaccine is very narrow. So the scientists are still working on it to see that it works effectively. So right now we need to take the vaccine to avoid hospitalization, to avoid serious illness, to avoid going to the ICU, or you avoid death. That's why you take the vaccine now. But after taking the vaccine, you can still transmit the vaccine to other people. You are not immune, even if you take the vaccine. So that's why we need to still follow all the necessary barriers to protect ourselves and our family from this pandemic. Yes. So we should follow all the guidelines provided by the government to make sure that everybody is safe. Nobody is immune to the vaccine. Nobody is immune to the COVID-19. And you can see be contacted by the COVID-19 twice, even after you have the treatment. So guys, we need to watch out. This is not a joking matter. Yes. COVID-19 is real and people are dying, and we should take it very serious. Have a nice day, guys. Make sure you share the video so that it should go far for most people, for a lot of people to learn what is going on right now and know how to protect themselves from this deadly disease. Know that COVID-19 is real. I'm the messenger. Have a nice day and stay safe with your family. God bless you. Thank you.